Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cute Animal Crossing cartoon style using ChatGPT. This is the prompt if you want it. I'll put it in the description box down below. Hopefully I don't forget. You're then just going to add in your picture here and you're going to press enter. So again, this is the prompt. I will put it in the description box so you can just easily copy and paste it. And this is what the final result will look like. I did already did I paste all of it? I think I did. I did already render it because it's going to take so long for you guys to wait. And this is what the product looks like. Actually looks super similar with the earrings and stuff. Super cute actually. But yeah, that is how you can create an animal style crossing character of yourself on ChatGPT. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.